how people stand at you. Selfie stick.
Let me take a selfie.
You.
Go far.
You can go far.
Yeah.
No. Jeffrey don't go too close. He big. He fat. But he no long.
What do you mean by that?
That's what she said.
Can't take medicine. Alright, what's up guys? Today is a quick one. What we're gonna do is just go and shop, get some food for the house and
yeah, just walk
lotion.
around and see what we need.
Because lotion is like a high priority for some reason. But I might put them dry and crusty. I'm not really worried about it.
Like people put dry and crusty, so I'm not.
Yeah, but you're not doing nothing with them. You're not rubbing them. You're not rubbing them, you know. So yeah, this is the first official recording with the GoPro. I'm not even sure if it's, you know, capturing everything, but it looks fine. It looks fine. So yeah.
But yeah, so we just go buy some simple stuff for the house.
Oh, they need something.
Oh yes, Jeffrey. Call him Jeffrey. I look out. Nickname if you want nickname.
That's a nickname here.
Your name is Jeffrey. So if you add an accent to it, Jeffrey, you know. Okay, come so we are turn the corner.
Oh, which corner that?
Which corner?
How far the corner is?
You don't add your suit.
You're not saying me that.
Yeah. Well, look at makeup look. I actually look good, so we might do it. Definitely know I'm gonna do the full glam.
Anybody will do this, some of them mostly look like they are prepared dead. And that doesn't make no sense. You can't spend much money to look worse than how you're going there. Oh yeah, so where we are going to go is our favorite supermarket, even though we never want to go there today for some reason. But, they're expensive, but they're not expensive. I wouldn't. I go there for how long? All of a sudden they're expensive. So, but yeah. Can I walk me outside? But yeah. See you guys here. Almost. Alright, so to reach at the supermarket. And I'm gonna run, go pee. But no, no we're not. We're just testing what it would be like. Over. Them have coffee? Okay. This is really nice.
Korean cheese. Whoa.
How was it?
Nice.
Nice.
Nice. So this is what Oreo frappuccino with coconut jelly. And no they put in it. Well, probably too over here for high. So, yeah, I believe it. You believe me?
Yep, that's coconut. Interesting.
Come on, I want weird as combination to the car.
It tastes good, but it's like an iron belly.
It's like an iron belly.
It's like an iron belly. But it is good.
It's like a Milo with sugar.
Yeah, it's like Milo with too much sugar.
Really?
Let's go grab a cart and leave. Alright, we need cheese, bread, egg. What's up?
No sale today.
That's right, I'm easy. Too early for that. So we still have some what?
No,
Yeah.
there's not.
When?
It's not so. They would have been in on the run.
Sure.
They would have been like that in here. This was a bit short. Whatever. That is what it just working. Concerning smell. Not sure nothing bad, it's just being honest.
Push dumpling.
Super nice.
When they say fresh, they have coffee, you know, but I think, oh, this and them say, oh, they have a coffee over this. So,
Vanilla one more interested was right there.
yeah. Of course. Alright, when I get used to this, you know, feel as weird to walk around and black as what I think it doesn't feel. So, that's good.
Yeah.
The 250. Most of the green ones. Because it lasts longer than if you buy a ripe one. Plus green one tastes better. It's onion.
Cheese sticker.
So I feel like tomato and Irish or something.
Well, I didn't look at it. What about this?
No, that's a bit
Look at this
buy that
side.
one. Well, you're right now.
Guys, what is up right here?
So.
No.
Oh, carrot. Oh, carrot the bomb price. Alright. And I like cook with carrot, 250. And this one I feel like 100 and Well, it's 186.
So proud.
Fuck on here. Listen. You know, they must be smart, I really. One arm type stuff. Irish, they're big. And I'm afraid of big Irish.
How do you walk? You enjoy?
No, because I clearly want to eat. And your the 10,000. Sweden, yes, but
These
are okay.
are green.
If you don't use the island.
I'll leave it for the island thing.
Awesome. I want to squeeze up like February 1st. How much more days left?
About we. Bakal ini. Wala ka mga ano. Wala ka buti. Maka. Den ghetto. Conhece ele?
I thought this was.
Cut that out. And you... No? So let's do this. Hey, so let's do this. These lotions last long.
Alright guys, so we're in the car. Have all of the goodies are on the back, but yeah, we still have a couple more stops.
Yeah, about 2 more, 3 more.
Hopefully 2 more stops at least, or most. And then we'll show you guys the bill.
Oh yes.
Not right now, but reach home, because that needs some unpacking.
But you know what, I think that come more to that. You never hear me think of like closer to 20, so like what was 17, 18. But it isn't. It good for the, you know, do 50-50, you know, because if I did one packet they come out of me, right, but it's good to do 50-50 because cheaper and you get enough products in here, so here, it's worth it. It's what you think.
Oh yeah, I'm supposed to see a grip the funny. Because I carry over one part of the place. Go ahead, because when I don't know if I would have a grip.
I first time ever got fresh, guys, and it got so heavy. But anyways, oh wait. Well, at this point brunch, guys, at 12 now.
Oh, we have no stuff can cook. They don't have cooking. Yeah, so on to the next one. we're back in Fairview so we can get something to eat. It's like yours must start. One definitely don't.
And before I begin.
I need everything. That's all one piece of chicken though. Can't believe I know.
Okay, so for everything we pay a total of, let's see, we can see price. So we pay 15.5, but it comes to 15,127.31 cents. Just forget look at points. Funny, but yeah, not that bad. You think it worth it?
Yeah, I'll buy water differently.
The water, yeah.
Yeah, that's
what did you say?
about 350 or something like that.
And I remember saying 2 a week, you know, a 2 a week. So, I don't pick me a feed. If they pick a feed, that means they would just dedicated to snack and juice. And then we have got meat shop separately.
Not when it's a meat shop, you know, it's not the meat shop as with everybody. You see a meat shop, everybody go. It's like the depot. That's where I go. Even if I have to walk, I walk. Because yeah, no, Grand Depot.
Grand Depot.
The depot is the spot where I buy both chicken, pork. Hey, the last piece of pork, let's give me no bone. One pound of pork, no, like regular pork. Me lean and fat, but lean and skin with it. No bone, no weight. You know them get over them.
Okay, so for the items that we've got some Alaska vanilla, got some soup dumplings, some eggs, a dozen. Is that great?
Yeah.
Look at it and that's it to myself. These look or sweet. No,
so
sour.
that's 2. I think it can hold 3, but you know, way over about it.
Okay, and tomatoes, cherry tomato, no, plum tomato, no onion, bacon, and my freezer. So, more hash browns. I have $100, that is 16, you know, we don't know why, but mixed veg for $2.90. The meat, which we're gonna be cooking for dinner.
$5.91.
$5.91 for one. Like mixed fast, basically.
It's like nearly 2 pounds of mixed fat.
Dice up too. So they'll do it, clean it, wash it with faber and bleach and all that.
That's serious?
Sliced cheese, there, melted egg.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Some vanilla. French vanilla.
That's exactly what it is. It's not vanilla. Vanilla.
Like the one.
Is it?
V-A-I. You don't know. It's the very first one to see
V-A-I-N.
Oh, where we go? Anyway, I got some snacks. Come on. And some bulk frosted flakes cereal. This last week was wild. Like, because when they home to eat it, but definitely home and they barely eat, so this will last a while. This will last until from middle of February almost to weekend. So I'm more on fish. Yeah. Alright, You've got some fruit punch icon. Best flavor, some ketchup, coffee, instant coffee. These look like strong. Let's go easy with it because I'm gonna make coffee for him. Use like 1.5, but this probably can use 1. So this is the one that we used to, the Mountain Peak, and this is what the one that Jeffrey.
Yeah, because the one of small one, the Mountain Peak.
Yeah, and one of them I like what? Less caffeine.
We need to do something with this.
There's 2 of them. Guys, 1, 2. Oh, so here, these noodles, nice. We have to add my good touch to it, of course, which is salt, extra pepper, black pepper to it because it's fresh. Now like fresh. That's why these coffee last. Normal people want month.
Oh.
Also, Jeffrey don't drink tea every day. All the time we drink coffee are like weekends. One of these up there, so milk, cow's milk. 1 to go in the fridge, 1 in the cupboard.
Bread is life. Yeah, probably have to go buy one next one. Probably near the end of it. The map. Or maybe not.
I believe Jeffrey was a duck in his past life.
What?
This one, eat bread, drink bread, breathe bread. Everything with bread. Because probably it's more convenient for him to just stick up on this, you know? Eat it with your shake and whatever.
Bread shake.
And
oh,
last and least is
Least is right.
Ajax bleach. Get a small one. Because we have one big one there, but I like, I'm gonna want it, but I have no time to go. Lotion.
Oh, what am I gonna do with all of this?
You can probably sell them because when you have areas, when you have progressive or high low, and then you see the house have empty jars. So maybe if you put hot water in there, you know, you can ask them if they buy it.
I think you get it cheaper if you go back to the jar itself.
And get the coffee. Weird.
Progressive.
I don't know, we have to collect them like we are to sell.
Pokemon.
You're ultra. You just have awkwardly smile.
It's not ultra time because we still have more video later. We have got paint.
Oh yes, I got paint. You need to go.
No.
So, Mommy Sheena would fear enough self. Shout out to you, Shernette. Go hear me, so yeah, call Shernette. Anyways, she decided that she go buy how much, like, enough canvas, enough. Not from, I think from Shein and Temu. She buy from every side. Amazon, Shein and Temu. Not every side, but but she buy enough paintbrush, enough paint, and she even buy coloring books so we can use them either with marker or crayons or pencil crayons. So me kind of lean towards, now that me see the canvas them, they're small, they're really small. They're about one decent size also, yeah, just square. And me more lean towards the coloring because yeah, more options, and then enough markers she get, and the colors for the markers them look so pretty. But yeah, this is basically an end to the grocery shopping, but as Jay said, yeah, more to come. So
Get over that.
anyway, yeah, it disappeared quick. Meaning, you know, some lotion when you rub it on your hands, you know, and you dip on one hand for how long. Yeah. If I want your hands, matter of fact, I put in your hand for rub it. But the smell is really good. Best believe it. And that's all water in your drink video. That's all the water in your
Like, you know, so when dinner time come, you can already know the water come drinking.
I want 1 cup of water and that's it.
This is it for now. What we're gonna do is we'll continue later when we're at the other house and ready to paint.
These are mine. That's the reference picture. This one, we might use one.
On to the next one. Alright, we're finished. Oh, that's all. Really like this. I even draw some. Yeah, I forgot to make up before and after, so I'm just gonna start from this. And that's that. Last one for the day.
10 years later.
10 years later, it's now 9:05. And we're there only from 4? 4:20 latest. So, these are what
Kind of spread them up on the bed.
we came up with. Yeah, we're just gonna use the bed because it's easier. Yeah, so that's mine. Good face or stand up. Huh? It's nice. Look, it look like a buy or buy it like that.
Guys,
It's the house. Kind of full of glare, but you know.
try for 5. I don't know, probably turn on your phone. Does that work? Yeah. That looks so cute. One thing though, the yellow stand out, you know?
It's a donut. Donut rooftop.
Donut rooftop. Jay was trying his best with this one. I think this one actually imitates your part though. The marker make sure, yeah, the marker is getting to the crevices. Like from far, it nyam. It nyam, but me not like, it needs your part though. On the back though. It needs, me choose the colors them perfectly. Like the different shades of blue. Like we use like 3 different shades of blue. We use 3 different shades of purple. But we use different shades of everything. And 2 shades of red. 1 darker red. I'm mostly proud of the yellow flowers and the blue one. I'm proud of the yellow flowers and the blue one. Period. As long as I look alike. And then Jeffrey Japan flag. And this one, this is the first one Jay do. You can tell. So when you realize how bright the colors them be and vibrant, you can do? You settle down with them. Look how much color on this here. This look like I went a report me I do. I want to start back up.
The issue with this is that we put green over here, so, and the green never match because I think that's supposed to be the lightest color. I'm going to tell you just eye.
This look like ready because the news said there's an earthquake heading to Jamaica. You see this tropical storm that's about to hit our island.
Alright, like, share, subscribe.
Hit that notification bell and follow him on Instagram.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Hey guys, thank you so much. Oh, it's a video.